I'm finally home after spending 3 weeks on the road visiting family in airplanes, and I wanted to give a special thanks to the guys at the Vintage Aviation Museum in Fort Worth and Bill, who is managing the return to airworthiness of the Hollywood bomber. Also, the A-26 crews for allowing me to crawl around their aircraft. There's a channel, A-26K Special K, that is documenting the repair of the only K model to be airworthy after a landing incident some months ago. I'll leave links for both channels below. Okay, here's the video on this mechanism. Looks like it goes down in this hole right here. There's some sort of bracket here, and the light's really bad. But then there's this cover, and it goes clear down, and it looks like there's a hole right there. You can still see the rod. And right here, looks like it's probably pushing on a lever on this third step down. So that's how this works. And then it's got this lock pin that goes in to lock the door to keep it from opening in flight. And I'm going to take a tour of inside the airplane. So that's what they've got inside here. They still have the greenhouse. I'm really jealous of having a greenhouse. And looks like they've got kind of the same kind of floors that we've got. It's dark in here. Okay. So here's the flight deck for night mission. And how their instrument panel is, cover. That's interesting. Caution, caution. I wonder what all that means. They do not have the secondary lock on theirs. Wish it was lighter in here. I'm going to try to hook up with Steve Swift here in a bit. Oh, Dave, this is what I was talking about. Here's the two uplock handles for the emergency pull on the side of the center console. Yeah. Well, they've put their voltage regulator someplace else besides under there. And who knows where that might be. And now I'm in the wheel well. And it looks like they've got janitrol stuff here. I don't know if it works or not. It's so dark in here. Sorry. Wish that it wasn't. So we're here at the meteor crater in Arizona, and it's such a panorama. Let me turn this around.
going to get ready to go up where we can actually see the crater. We should have taken the elevators. It's a lot of stairs. We're just walking up to the crater rim, and we'll see what this is like. It's absolutely a beautiful day. There's telescopes. They say this is a mile wide. They say you can put 20 football fields down here and have 2 million people watching it and have room left over from this. Pretty amazing. It's 2.5 miles wide at the top. Pretty cool. We're up here at the highest point of the observation decks that you can see down into the crater. Again, it's a beautiful day, mid-40s, sunshine, blue skies, no wind. And then if you look around, you can see how high we are to the rest of the terrain. They say this was formed, this meteor dropped in here 50,000 years ago. Absolutely incredible.
So when this video drops, I'll be back down working on the bomber tomorrow. Been out of touch with it for 3 weeks. This turned out being a kind of a little travel log for my little vacation. But I want to get back on the bomber and do whatever I can to help get it back in the air. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll subscribe and share this video with your friends and like, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.